Hi, this is John with Flat 6 Motorsports, and today we're installing the AWE Track Edition exhaust on this 2020 Macan S, which is the 95B.2. We're going to install the exhaust, get some sound clips of it before and after. We're also going to put the Flat 6 Motorsports cold air intake system for a little bit extra power. Really easy, simple mod to do. So we're going to install both those, and we'll give you some sound clips. The AWE Tuning Track Edition exhaust takes a little more than 18 pounds off the rear of the car. The factory mufflers weigh just under 36 pounds, where the AWE Tuning Track Edition exhaust weighs just under 18 pounds.